Breaking news coming in as a fallout of the Kasganj violence. The Superintendent of Police of Kasganj has been removed. We don't know if he's been suspended or transferred. We're going to try and connect to our reporters on the ground for more on that story. What we do know is that the SP has been removed. We have Ashutosh, who's with us live from Kasganj. He's been getting us ground reports from the violence-affected district. Ashutosh, has the Superintendent of Police been suspended or transferred? Also take us through the situation on the ground right now. Is the town still tense?
Well, Simi, as far as situation here at Ground Zero is concerned, the situation has completely been normalized. Though there is a tension in the ambience, but all these vehicular movements, if you can see right behind me, that suggests that situation is much better what it was, as we have seen 3 days long unrest. Yesterday, several peace meetings were called by the administration to sort out every issue, and people were also appealed to maintain peace, to prevail peace, not to believe in rumor mongering. But this making the big story is that we heard that, as a fallout of this entire the violence that erupted and triggered here in Kasganj, the Superintendent of Police, Sunil Kumar Singh, has been removed, and he has been asked to leave the city. There are, because ADG level officials from the adjoining districts and the IG, they are here. They will be taking charge. Another SP will be joining here. In the meanwhile, the DM, the district magistrate of Kasganj, he is taking the round, because every minute we are seeing the vehicles of the administration. They are taking round on every corner. Another development is the school colleges remain shut down because the paramilitary and the forces, the state reserve forces from the adjoining district, have been called in to maintain law and order and peace. Hence, these police officials, they are staying in those school premises that will remain shut. The district magistrate had said that the internet services that were shut down will be restored by 10 p.m. in the evening. But the major fact, this rumor mongering on social media, Simi, that is now a bigger challenge for the administration. Even the IG Sanjeev Gupta, who spoke to India today, said that this is going to be another challenge for the police. And for the rumor mongering on social media related to this violence, and 4 people have been arrested, and they are monitoring everything that is roaming on social media. Even the police and administration is appealing people not to believe on the rumor mongering, but straight only to believe what is being said by the administration to maintain the peace. They have been appealed not to indulge into any kind of rumor mongering. So far, as a fallout, 4 people for the rumor mongering have been arrested. Police has clearly said that they are monitoring everything what is happening on social media. More people have been identified. They are likely to make some more arrests. Now, another development is the total 112 people have been arrested for this entire violence saga. Now, 10 out of 20, those who were identified for the killing of the firing that led to the killing of Chandan Gupta, 10 people have been arrested. Total 112 people, including the rioting, and more than 70 people have been arrested for the preventive detention. So to not allow any such miscreants to indulge into any kind of violence. So massive crackdown is underway. We tried to access the FIR copy. Soon we are expecting to have that copy and actually get the details what triggered. We also asked the question, was there any lapses from the administration side? We were told, since not only the SIT that has been ordered probe by the government, but there is also a magisterial inquiry has been ordered. So another breaking news at this moment is that magisterial probe has also been ordered, and magistrate will probe was there any kind of lapses from the police or the civil administration, because when such procession was allowed, why police did not make any kind of arrangement. Rather, this would have been peaceful, and probably more people would have joined the yatra when there was some kind of arrangement was made. So the magistrate will also now another challenge, the police has told that they have access a lot of CCTV footages. So they're taking help of these CCTV footage, but also at the same time that we have been told that the gun that was recovered from the prime accused, who apparently killed Chandan Gupta, the gun and those bullets were recovered, have been sent to ballistic experts in Agra. So police is also waiting, since the post-mortem report is out, and that says, though we have been not given that post-mortem copy, but the sources in the administration has told India today that killing of Chandan Gupta, that was the reason of the bullet injury. But the bullet, and those recovered from his body, and the bullet that were found in the pistol, that is being sent to Agra for the ballistic expert, and police are waiting for all these.
I'm going to come back to you in just a bit. Now, even as Kasganj remains tense after days of violence, Kasganj BJP MLAs have been busy enjoying musical nights. Just 48 kilometers from Kasganj, BJP MLAs and even an MP was spotted enjoying a musical bash in Etah. We'll get you those images on your screens that show BJP MLA Devendra Verma, Devendra Lodhi and Virendra Verma along with MP Mukesh Rajput sitting in the front row enjoying a musical night tapping to Kailash Kher's music. Ashutosh is with us live. Ashutosh, Kasganj witnessed violence like never before. It's known to be a peaceful town. And while one can say there's an uneasy calm that prevails over the town now after their Section 144 that's been imposed, people aren't being allowed to come out of their homes. You have a situation where BJP MLAs and MPs are partying.
Well, absolutely, Simi, because if you remember when this violence triggered out, these were the first MLAs and Member of Parliament. They reached to the area, they joined these people, also made several slogans. Now, when the responsibility comes to these elected representatives to be with their people, be in their town, who have elected them to maintain the peace, to prevail the law and order, to ask people to maintain the peace and humanity, these representatives are being seen joining entertainment shows, they're joining musical shows. And 25 kilometers from this city, which witnessed the violence, there was, completely deserted atmosphere in this city. But these netas did not bother, who first, did all their politics on a dead body, on the violence which triggered. And this, the Kasganj, the people here have been saying that they did not see anything that happened in this city in many years. 3-4 days ago, during 1992, there was some that was very small scale. But this time they saw first time this thing happening. But when you have a people's representative who are at first, doing politics on such incident, but when there is a time then to be with their people, they're enjoying actually music saga far away from this city. Simi?
Ashutosh, thanks so much for that ground report. We're going to keep coming back to you for more. Let's listen in to the reaction that we got from the MLA who was found attending a musical night while the place that's voted for him was burning.
नेता हैं आपकी पार्टी के भी बयान देने से पीछे नहीं चुके हैं। यहाँ पर शहर मतलब शोक में है, लोगों के अंदर तनाव है और आप तो नृत्य संगीत में देखने में बिजी पाए गए। नहीं, हम कोई नृत्य संगीत नहीं देख रहे थे, केवल पहले से कार्यक्रम लगा था। उनके कार्यक्रम की एक रस्म अदायगी होती है कि कोई कार्यक्रम पहले से दे दिया जाता है, वहाँ उपस्थिति दर्ज कराने गए थे हम, न किसी तरह के किसी नृत्य संगीत में नहीं। काफी देर तक आप वहाँ थे? नहीं, केवल 10 मिनट के लिए गए थे, 10 मिनट गए और उनका कार्यक्रम वो करा के स्टार्ट। दूसरे साथी आप ही के नाम के जो दूसरे विधायक देवेंद्र वो भी वहाँ मौजूद थे जी, रस्म अदायगी के लिए गए थे। जी 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 जी।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.